Hello guys, welcome to my channel Shoes Collection. I hope you are all fine or I have brought another video for you. In this video, new shoes collection I have shared. This shoes designs idea is very soft, relaxable, all trending design as you can see. How soft or beautiful are all the designs. You will easily get these shoes online, but avoid sharing your details with any fake link, fake app or anywhere to avoid online scam. Check the website thoroughly before purchasing the shoes. The more clothes play a role in improving your personality, the more shoes you pay. If you pay as much attention to clothes as you pay to your shoes, then you must be a fashion lover or have a good sense of fashion. Because there is a society of dressing sense, no one has this problem or you too. Should know that the shoes should always be very comfortable or soft because the entire weight of your body is on the feet. If you ever wear high heel, then keep in mind whether you are comfortable in such heels. Your entire body's weight rests on your heels. If you do not care, it can cause pain in your feet. When you buy sandals, slippers, shoes, always keep in mind that you will not pay any attention to them. Many girls like such shoes in which she is not comfortable at all, or in bad times she is troubled by the problem of pain in her feet. She likes the shoes only because of their color or because of their beauty, or in bad times those shoes become the cause of pain in her feet. So it is very important to choose the right shoes, because even the slight wear of shoes can cause pain in your feet by causing blisters, which will cause pain even in wearing slippers. Some girls wearing sandals are worried about removing blisters from their bad feet because they are shoes. It does not give them any comfort or damage the skin of their feet. Hence, as much as you pay attention to the design, color of the shoes, you should also pay attention to their softness. It is important to check whether these shoes are comfortable for you or not. If you like my video or have come for the first time on our channel, then you must subscribe to the channel. And you can visit my channel. You can see your favorite video from the section of my playlist on your homepage. You can tell me the comment how to design these shoes, or you will make me comment. I am waiting for your comment, or I like it very much. If you are also a fashion lover or shoes lover, watch the video till the end to see all the designs of shoes or while selecting the shoes. It is necessary to pay attention to the right size, color comfortable. Show me which shoes you like in the video, will do as required. Shoes play a very important role in showing your personality. As much as it is necessary for girls to have makeup, bag or clothes, it is equally important to choose the right shoes. I like to wear different type of shoes even when I am in my life. When buying shoes, first of all you have to look at this fabric and material. If the material of sandal is not good, then design the shoes is also useless because that thing becomes painful. There is no point in wasting money. So you also select shoes, made is fabric, material, look good, so that the shoes are good only to look at or not comfortable at all. The fashion of wearing designer shoes have been going on since ancient times, or whether it is a child or an adult. Everywhere like to wear designer or beautiful shoes, or even in old age the fashion of footwear will never end, because footwear is as important as clothes. If fashion footwear collection attracts most of the lovers of clothes, shoes are a part of everyday life, whether in daily use or wedding or party. It is difficult to leave the house without footwear. There is no footwear in the house. It is also necessary to keep bringing new designs of footwear every day, or even in this age. The fashion of footwear can never end. To see the new footwear designs collection, so please subscribe my channel. You will get update of your fashion trend on this channel, friends. So hopefully you must have subscribed my channel, liked the video, or also clicked on the bell icon for the new video, so that you can get my video first. I hope you like this video. If you like this shoes collection, then please like my video and please subscribe my channel. I hope all the designs you liked very much. If all the designs you liked very much, please don't forget to like this video. If you like this video, I have so happy. So please subscribe my channel and like my video, and please comment me. If you have any question, then comment me, so that you can get the next video. Bye bye.